part coming soon. About to look like a grown woman.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Y'all already know who it is on the track. Diverse Beauty, the stylist. Book her, okay? Stop playing with her. Go follow her on Instagram. Stop playing with it.
Feel great and look your best.
Stop overspending for bad quality. Get you some quality at a good price. I'm back 2 months later, period. And I'll be back again, what? 2 months coming up. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I heard it here. Yes! You be making me so excited, girl. Because I am so scared. You know, I can't wait to get up and do these reels now that my hair gonna be done.
Yeah, I feel like when your hair not done, it don't hit.
Heck
As soon as you
no. Y'all, I'm so excited. I could not have gotten a first ball by nobody else. Okay? Do y'all even see what's happening? Girl, I'm not even done. Crazy. Yes, ma'am. Time to cut. I'm excited. Why am I so excited? This hair is pretty. That's how you do that. Girl. This is how my hair used to look when I used to have a relaxer. Girl.
You know what they say, first curl.
Yes.
Right there.
Ain't no going back.
No, you said right at the...
Yeah, no, yeah, that's good. I'm trying to feel my thing. Yeah. I was a little scared a little bit, but this is me. Y'all. Miss, okay? Mrs. It's Mrs. honey. Stiff wear. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Why did it take me 27 years to get a bob? This is too, girl. And listen, I ain't never seen no bob look like this, and I'm telling the truth. I've seen a lot of bobs in my day, and they ain't never look like this. Because this is very much,
put some respect on my name.
put some respect on my name. Pulling up on you. The black on black, honey, is
And then when you get tired, you know, just take it out. Real love. No, you can.
Oh, this is about to. Oh, girl, I'm about to get up early. I'm getting up at like 6:30 tomorrow. You guys like it? This is so cute. Wow, you did your thing, girl. Girl, I'm just gonna.
You said what?
What? What you talking about? I'm gonna be in the camera for no reason. I'm gonna go live tonight just because.
Just because.
I'm about to go live just because I can, and who's gonna stop me?
Hey, who's nobody?
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I can't get. I'm sorry for that, girl. I cannot get over this. Y'all, do y'all see me? Do you see me? Like, what are you? Girl, do you see what I see? Y'all don't see it. Here, y'all better stop playing and go ahead and book Diverse Beauty, okay? Do y'all see it? Let me show you on the light. Okay, do you see it? Yes, thank you. Go ahead and book her. She did not come to play. Come show yourself real quick. I'm screaming. Listen, the best to ever do it, period. Don't ever play. Don't play yourself. Don't play yourself. Book her, thank you. Book her.
Put that part in when I'm like, that was funny.
I'm gonna keep that. You just did it. Girl, do y'all see me?
Do y'all see her?
Do you see it?
Do y'all
Girl. You changed my life.
Miracle.
Promise keeper, light in the darkness. Thank you so very much. Oh my goodness, I just love this so much. I'm just gonna be shaking my head all night. Shaking it all night. Thank you so much. Period, Bobbiana. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay?
I will. Thank you so much.
What? Out here.
Yeah, I do. Y'all. Shorty.
Stop it.
It's cute. Mary, leave me alone. Is it cute?
What?
Yeah. Call me Bobbiana. It's cute.
Yes.
Try something new. You know, I'm grown. Do a little grown woman.
Girl.
Yep.
What in the babe?